Understanding, Run the Show, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, run the show. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in. Run the show is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to be in charge of something, particularly an event, organization, or situation. When someone is said to run the show, it implies that they have the primary responsibility and control over the operations or activities. It's important to note that this phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to professional environments. The phrase, run the show, is believed to have originated from the theater or entertainment industry, where it referred to the person in charge of organizing and managing a performance or show. Over time, its usage expanded to include any scenario where someone is in a leading or controlling position. This phrase is widely used in English-speaking countries and is easily understood by native speakers. To help you grasp the meaning better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a company, our CEO really runs the show, making all the major decisions. 2. In a family, in our household, it's my grandmother who runs the show. 3. Event planning. For the annual festival, it's the event coordinator who runs the show. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. Some of these include, call the shots, to make important decisions or control a situation. In the driver's seat, being in control of a situation or organization. Hold the reins, to have control over a situation, much like how a rider controls a horse. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand and use the phrase, run the show, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like these can add color and depth to your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.